What's up guys, welcome back. I'm having a little bit of light sensitivity, so everything's very bright, so if I start crying, that's just why. Today we're going to open up our Ipsy bag. My dog actually already tried to get to it, but before we open it up, just some shameless self-promotion. If you like this look, I actually just did a video. I'll have it linked down below and up here for you. And yeah, now we'll open this up. Wait, technically it's already open here, right? Alright, so the bag looks like this, and it's just got the closed eyes, a little bit of like a golden trim, and then it actually has a brush sticking out of it, so I already know there's a brush in there, right? This is the bag. Is there a hole in mine? There's no hole in the bag, but there's a hole in the card. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that hole? Right over here. Right over here. Okay. It says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who's going to stop me. Okay, and then let's just pull out the brush since it was already poking out. This is actually really cute. I wouldn't expect me to like something like this, but I like it. It's also the second cloth bag. Ooh, this is a very big blending brush. Oh my god, it's a Luxie brush. Luxie 140 detail tapered brush. This is a large, it is tapered. It's very large, it's kind of dense, and that's insane. This is crazy. But I do really like the Luxie brushes. Is this Wonder Woman? This is something about Wonder Woman. This is something about Wonder Woman. Can you see that? There's just so much light. I don't know if you can see that on there. Something about Wonder Woman. That's cool. Let's take a little snack break. My eyes are crying and I deserve a snack. Alright, next in here is Trestique Mini Lip Glaze. It's like a burgundy, not a burgundy, but like, oh, it feels really, I kind of get what it means by glaze now. It feels really slippery, slidey. It's not as pigmented as I thought it'd be. Actually, it's pretty good. That looks pretty too. Next up in here is IBY Beauty City Limits. IBI Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades. Oh god, it has like styrofoam in there. And I have to pull it out. It just sounds so bad. Oh god. Oh, never mind. It just fell out. Better. Oh, this is the cutest little thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the shade. Do I know the shade? Fire and Ice. What shade do you think that's going to be? Is it going to be a red or a blue? I'm going to go with red. Huh? This is pretty. This reminds me of a shade in the Laura Tails and Top Hats palette. The one that I used for my like one eyeshadow look. If you didn't see that, I'll have that up there as well. But it looks so pretty. It's like a little like duochrome-ish. So you can't really tell, but it kind of shines like a cool tone. This is really pretty, and it did feel so buttery. This is awesome. Next in here, there's two things. One's really flat and one's like a tube, so I'm gonna go with the really flat one. What is it? It's a cheek blush. From what company? What is this? I don't know this. D-U-C-C-A? D-O-U-C-C-A? Duca? This blush looks totally up my alley though. This is so pretty. Does that not look so pretty? I would totally wear this all the time. Like, I'm totally into like mauves and oh, it's buttery. That is a wonderful feeling blush. Ooh, look at that pigment. I don't want to buy a Z palette, but I need a Z palette. I don't like Z palettes. Last thing in here, again, I said it was a tube, right? Yes. This is what I saw first. It's watermelon colored. This is something really punctured something. Like, look, this has like a stupid dent in it. If you can tell, it has like a dent. If you look at the Duca packaging, look, what attacked my bag? Was it my dog? Might have been my dog. This is a Satin Dream Leave-In Cream. I thought this was going to be a hand cream for some reason. I don't know what this smells like. Oh, there's a thingy on it. Oh my gosh, and they actually have like a little handle for you to grab so I don't have to fumble over this. Did I get it on my nose? Tell me why I thought this was gonna smell like watermelon, but it is not. Yeah, that's cool. We have a leave-in cream. I think we had one last time. I don't remember which box it was from though. We had a leave-in cream as well. Which brand was that? It was a good size brand that got rid of frizz. I don't remember exactly. If you really want to find out, watch the playlists of my like makeup subscriptions or whatever. But yeah, those were the items I got in this bag. I think this is a really good bag. Like, I really like the items in this bag. I got the Luxie brush, some Wonder Woman edition Luxie brush. Although it is very huge and kind of dense. I don't really know how I'm going to use it just yet. I've never encountered a brush like that before, but Luxie brushes are really nice. I totally love that monochromatic look from IBY Cosmetics, IBY Beauty. Fire and Ice was a good like name for that. And then this blush was so buttery, and definitely those were my highlights. Less excited were the lip glaze, although it does look really pretty and it did go on really smoothly. And then the leave-in cream. I actually really am excited to try all of these products this time, and those just two were my least excited, but those two are really great. Like, everything. This is a really good bag, and like, I even like this. This is even cute. Oh my gosh. It is cloth though, so I feel like it's gonna get dirty really quickly, but. And then the inside says rules were meant to be broken. Were made to be broken. No. No. No, not all the rules. I don't agree. Do not agree. But I do love the bag, and I do love the Ipsy bag that we got this month. Alright, so that's what we got in this bag this month. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll have some videos up on the screen for you to watch, some listed down below as well. And then if you want to subscribe, just click on my face, the little face, not this face. And yeah, I will see you next time.